pons is divided in the anterior part. It is a ventral basilar part, a dorsal tegmental part. Here it is a ventral basilar part, and at the upper level above the facial colliculus it contains a cavity of the fourth ventricle. Each side of the fourth ventricle it contains the superior cerebellar peduncle. Here it is a middle cerebellar peduncle. Fiber from the ventral basilar part goes through the middle cerebellar peduncle. Fourth ventricle, each side of the fourth ventricle is superior cerebellar peduncle. There is a decussation of the cochlear nuclei from the trapezoid body. Medial lemniscus, it contains the fiber from the sensory decussation of the pons. Then there is a trigeminal lemniscus, spinal lemniscus and lateral lemniscus. The lateral lemniscus contains the fiber that derived from the trapezoid body and from the cochlear nucleus, and the fiber ascends upward as ascending tract from the lateral lemniscus. Medial longitudinal fasciculus, tectospinal tract and rubrospinal tract. And here at this level there is a spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve and sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerve is there. Medial motor nucleus and lateral large sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, and in between two there is a mesencephalic root of the trigeminal nerve. So fiber from this nucleus arise anteriorly as a trigeminal nerve that passes anteriorly from the anterior surface of the pons. In the ventral basilar part, it is the same as the lower basilar part of the pons. It contains the corticospinal fiber, corticonuclear fiber and the pontine nuclei. So the corticopontine fiber relay into the pontine nucleus, and from the pontine nucleus the fiber crosses to the opposite side and goes through the middle cerebellar peduncles, and corticospinal fiber goes into the medulla as it goes within the pyramid of the medulla oblongata. Here it is a fourth ventricle. So the neural tissue that connect the two superior cerebellar peduncle, that is known as the superior medullary velum. So that forms the closed fourth ventricle. Medial lemniscus, trigeminal lemniscus, spinal lemniscus and lateral lemniscus. Trapezoid body, trigeminal nerve, there is a bundle of the corticospinal fiber. In between there is a pontine nuclei and corticonuclear fibers.